It's Andy and Tia.
And we're here at MacGregor Point Provincial Park in Ontario, Canada.
If you like our content, subscribe and hit the bell
for post notifications. Yeah! Alright guys, we're here, we're set up at our campsite, and I want to take you on a quick campsite tour just to show you kind of the different gear that we use and the setup that we do whenever we go camping. So our campsite is pretty private. We've got our two cars here, so you can see mine and Andy's, and that's kind of our little driveway. And then once you come in, we've got our tent and our kitchen tent and then our campfire. What you cooking?
Burgers.
To make things easy, we always pre-plan and pre-pack all of our food. So we know exactly what food we'll be eating, how much we need, and we pre-slice everything so we don't need to worry about cutting boards and knives for every meal that we make. MacGregor Point is located on Lake Huron, and while the campground itself has beaches, there are also a plethora of beaches just outside the park to choose from. We usually head to Gobble's Grove Beach as there's usually less of a crowd. Miles of sandy beach and shallow water are the feature here, and free parking is a plus.
Still camping, making some dinner. We've prepared these souvlaki skewers and we're cooking them on the campfire. Pro tip, pre-prep your food so that when you're hungry, you can cook them right away.
How's the souvlaki?
the campfire always gives this like really smoky flavor.
I'm betting the homemade tzatziki also helps. Just a little.
Bring it.